You can include Excel formulas to calculate data in planning, FreeForm, financial consolidation and close, enterprise profitability and cost management, and tax reporting. These formulas are also referred to as business calculations when used in smart forms. In this tutorial, you learn how to add Excel formulas in planning. As a planner, I do not have the rights to modify application metadata, but with smart forms, I can use cell formatting options and most Excel functions to quickly calculate data without adding members or using Essbase calculations. These calculations do not modify application metadata and exist only within the smart form. For example, I can calculate variances and compute for commissions within a form using Excel functions or formulas. You can find the list of supported simple and complex Excel functions at docs.oracle.com. Only supported Excel functions can be saved in smart forms. You manage smart forms in SmartView. Formulas are evaluated using Excel's calculation engine. But you can also view smart forms in the web interface. Formulas are evaluated by the application. You can save a copy of an existing form or ad hoc grid as a smart form. Grid labels act as placeholders for storing calculations in smart forms. You can identify the type of form by the icon displayed next to its name. To add Excel formulas, you must be in ad hoc mode. Ad hoc grids allow you to insert, test, and validate formulas before saving them as part of a smart form. I'll replace the January data for the Envoy custom netbook with an Excel formula that references the value of the Envoy standard netbook, but increases it by 95%. I'll refresh and submit the data. The calculated data is displayed. The formula is evaluated immediately in Excel, and the result is displayed in the grid. Now, I'll add a row that calculates commission percentage based on revenue. I'll use the if function to create a commission calculation based on a percentage of revenue. I format the cell and copy the formula to adjacent cells. Formula spreading is not supported. Formulas must be copied manually. I'll add another row that calculates the commission value based on the commission percent. Next, I'll add columns and enter cell formulas to determine the variance and variance percent for FY24 and FY25 year totals. I'll format the cells. The calculated values are displayed and can be saved to the form without adding new members. These calculations become reusable when saved in a smart form. You can copy and paste formulas. The currency and percent formats are also copied to the new cells. Notice that the columns include empty cells. With smart forms, you can add rows and columns that contain empty cells or cells with calculations. After adding or modifying Excel formulas, refresh and submit your data. Adding rows and columns may shift cell references, making your existing formulas invalid. Formulas may also be lost if cells become read-only or if suppression removes valid intersections. Always verify the references in your formulas to ensure you get the correct calculation results. You can change how data is displayed by setting formatting options. When you are done, save your form as a smart form. This saves your Excel formulas as reusable business calculations. Enter the form name and path. Preserve formatting options by selecting the Submit Formatting checkbox. Now, let's take a look at my smart form in the web interface. Cells containing labels and Excel formulas are displayed and formatting is preserved. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.